Professional waxing isn't just about the wax. It's the preparation, technique, and hygiene that create a more comfortable and consistent experience. Today, we'll show you what professionals do differently. Every professional treatment begins with a clean, organized workspace. Attention to detail starts before the appointment even begins. Professional hygiene comes first. Fresh gloves, sanitized tools, and single-use applicators help maintain a clean treatment environment. Professionals begin by assessing the client's skin and discussing any concerns before treatment starts. Many professionals choose high-quality hard wax because it grips the hair effectively while being suitable for sensitive areas when used correctly. Temperature matters. Wax that is too hot may increase discomfort, while wax that is too cool may not perform as intended. Clean, dry skin provides a better surface for waxing and helps improve consistency throughout the treatment. A light protective barrier can help reduce unnecessary contact between the wax and the skin. Instead of guessing, professionals evaluate the natural direction of hair growth before every application. A smooth, even application creates a clean edge, making removal more controlled and predictable. Allowing the wax to cool properly helps it wrap around the hair before removal. The wax is removed quickly while staying close and parallel to the skin to help reduce unnecessary pulling. A successful removal captures multiple hairs from the root while helping minimize breakage. Applying gentle pressure immediately afterward may help reduce discomfort and soothe the treated area. A soothing post-wax product helps calm the skin and reduce the appearance of temporary redness. For about 24 hours, professionals commonly recommend avoiding excessive heat, strenuous exercise, and tight clothing while the skin recovers. Common mistakes, such as applying wax at the wrong temperature or pulling in the wrong direction, can affect both comfort and results. Consistent results come from using quality products together with proper technique, not from relying on products alone. Professional waxing is a skill developed through preparation, careful technique, hygiene, and thoughtful aftercare. These principles help create a more consistent experience. If you enjoy evidence-based beauty and skincare education, subscribe to MTH Health. Let us know what professional treatment you'd like to learn about next.